Bonjour everyone and welcome back to How to Pronounce French, the channel where we help you sound like a native French speaker, one word at a time. I'm Mark and in this video we will dive into proper French pronunciation technique. Let's get started. Today we will learn how to pronounce ligne. Let's go! Ligne, it means line, okay? So, ligne, slowly, ligne, very slow, ligne. At normal speed, ligne. The li, okay, li, then the gn, ligne. And the e at the end is silent. Almost always in French, the e is silent at the end. So today, en ligne, for example, mean online, but it used to mean simply in a row, en ligne, en ligne. Well done! If you found this video helpful, click the thumb up and subscribe to How to Pronounce French. Thanks for watching and à la prochaine!